well. So as the nurse, she knew he doesn't just want to take out the king and his sons, but he wants the seed as well. So as his nurse, she knew, I got to protect him. I got to get him to safety. So she picked the child up and she took off running and she dropped him. And when she dropped him, he became crippled. He became broken. He was too heavy for her to carry. And in life, many of us have been dropped because people have tried to carry us, but we were too heavy to carry. What was on the inside of us was too heavy for someone else to carry. And we became broken, and we became angry, and we became hurt, and we became bitter because we were too heavy to carry. And I know I'm telling the truth because it's days where you struggle trying to carry your own self because what's on the inside of you is too heavy to carry. But this nurse was in trouble.